Your sales team just told you they need more qualified leads to meet their quota. Again. I'm Kevin with Digital Authority Partners, and I bet this conversation happens every quarter. Sales blames marketing, marketing blames sales for not closing enough deals. Meanwhile, your competitors are winning the business that should have been yours. Let me guess, the marketing team says they're sending plenty of leads. The sales team says they're all junk. And you're caught in the middle trying to figure out who's right. Instead of focusing on growth, you're playing mediator. Again. Here's a real problem. You don't have a lead problem. You have a marketing leadership problem. Unity Communications is a perfect example. When they called us, their revenue team was drowning in cold calls. 150 people visiting their website each month. That's it. Annual revenue was stuck around $3 million. We paired them with a fractional CMO who'd built revenue engines for dozens of other business process outsourcing companies. 3 years later, they had 36,000 monthly visitors. Qualified leads went up 18 times. Revenue jumped 320%. Unity hit the Forbes 5,000 and hasn't left since. Their sales reps went from begging for leads to cherry picking the best ones. Then there's DecisionLink. Different company, different challenge. Leads weren't the issue. They just couldn't close them. Deals would drag on for months, then die. Their new fractional CMO rebuilt the entire sales process, cut sales cycles by 40%, doubled qualified opportunities. 18 months later, DecisionLink has a successful exit. Now, I understand the hesitation. Hiring a full-time CMO means $300K plus equity for someone who might not deliver. And finding the right person, that's months you don't have. But you know what's really risky? Doing nothing while your best reps quit and competitors keep winning. Our fractional CMOs have done this before. They've run marketing at Oracle's cloud division, IBM's enterprise software group, and built Salesforce's partner programs. They've been exactly where you are, just on a bigger scale. The difference? They start fixing things in 2 weeks, not 2 quarters. They're less than half the cost of a full-time hire. And since each of our B2B fractional CMOs only works with 3 to 4 companies at a time, you get real leadership, not drive-by consulting. Here's the bottom line. You can have this same conversation with your sales team next quarter, or finally give them what they're asking for. Call us at 888-846-5382 or visit digitalauthority.me. Let me show you how we turn "we need more leads" into "we need more sales reps." Because your sales team deserves better than empty pipelines and lost deals.